If your scheduled time transfer doesn't send, the most common reasons are insufficient funds, reaching transfer limits, an inactive card, or incorrect recipient account or details. And here is a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Transfer will automatically fail if your Chime account balance is less than the scheduled amount at the time of transfer. Just add money to your Chime account immediately via direct deposit or external transfer to cover the amount. Now, Chime has daily and monthly limits on the amount you can transfer. For transfers to an external bank, the limit is up to $5,000 per day and $25,000 per month. So check your limits in the Chime app if you have reached them. And wait until the limits reset and try again. Now, recurring transfer will not work if your Chime debit card is not active. So ensure that your physical card is activated in the app. If you just activated a new card, you may need to delete and reset up the recurring transfer again. And that's how you can fix if your Chime scheduled transfer didn't send, and thank you for listening.